Alright, so as you guys can see, it's pretty bare. Look at this. So I'm gonna move all the bolts are all loose back here. I'm gonna give it a little bit of a push so the actual headlight or tail light moves there. Look at this shit. See all that water just dumping out of there? That's all from my fucking taillight ballast. Just for moving it back and forth. I can't even imagine what the fuck the other one's gonna look like. Alright. Final stages of the trunk teardown are beginning. Got it all cleaned up somewhat. Now just gotta wrap all the wires and take all the plugs out. She's gonna get a good, nice paint job done on this sucker. Some primer. She should look nice. She's coming along. Instead of paint, I'm using rubberized gravel guard that's permanent with dye in it. So it should look pretty good when it's done. Take a beating, that's for sure. No rust. Fuck you, rust.